Once it breaks ground, once it grabs the air, and this thing goes blisteringly fast. Just watch the wind, how the wind flex on that. You can never take it away from the trees. Nice, there he drops away. A little bit of a correction, build up the speed. Then you'll watch this do amazing maneuvers. Andy Ellison is over to you. Right, now it's into full speed mode. Andy Ellison, watch this. See that flex? Probably putting about 15 Gs, 15 times the weight of gravity. Look behind you. Look behind you. Here come the All-Stars. Here come the All-Stars. So, as we spot the All-Stars, the 4 extra 330s, we're going to ask everybody now to start moving back to the barrier. Please, ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention? It is imperative. We have 4 full-size extra 300s inbound. We need you to all move back, start to now move back to the safety barrier in preparation for the incoming All-Stars. Watch the wings, look at that. That's not a glider, Andy. Can you hear him coming? Look to your left, everybody. Look to your left. There's the All-Stars. This will be the highlight of the show for many of you. Just a few more minutes before the All-Stars make their approach to landing. Andy will come in, and then we'll clear the runway and ask everybody to move back to the safety barriers for the incoming full size. Andy, we were absolutely in awe of the capabilities of that glider, in inverted commas. Ladies and gentlemen, can I have a round of applause for our good friend Andy Ellison with the turbine glider. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We're going to just have a short break whilst we clear the flight line and get everybody back to the safety barrier. Ellison, watch this.